Hi, this is Susie. Some of the bulbs came in the stores, so I was able to get some of the regular bulbs. The tulips and the daffodils aren't in yet, probably next week. Let's see, we got bleeding heart. Needs sun to partial shade. I haven't had this one in years. I love this, so pretty. This is a pink one. I got two of them. This one needs, it's easy to grow. Dig a hole to the required depth. I usually use, it tells you all the directions on the back. I usually use Miracle Grow on everything, and that seems to work pretty good. And I got some gladiolus mixed. Blooms in the summer, full sun to partial shade. These are going to be pretty. I never had these ones before. And I got two dahlias. These have tubers in them. And I'll show you how I do these. This one I had before. This is a Dahlia Duet. I'll put a link to this video from a year ago. Show you how pretty this one came out. These are also tubers. These you plant in full sun. Bloom summer to fall. These are real pretty. And I also got another rose bush, a red rose bush. I'll be planting that. These are going to be doing container gardening this time. Put them in the back area by the porch. So when we go out, we can see all the flowers. Going to do a lot of container gardening out there this spring. And I'll be showing you when I put these in my containers. I already have the pots and everything. And I'll show you how I do that. And I'll show you the other bulbs I get later on. Thank you for watching. This is Susie. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye for now.